Second down.
Hey, defense, come here. Go defense. Hurry up.
Talk to me. Make sure you start the clock. I don't think it's running, man.
Start the clock. Start. Hey, you got chips over here?
Yeah, you got to stay on that, baby boy.
I don't think he knows.
Yeah, now it's running.
Get that! Get that!
Let's go, D! Go down, double stick.
Pass.
Got you. Don't stop the clock until it should be running, bro.
Watch screen.
There you go. That's right, J5.
Hey, stay ready. One safety back. Stay off the center.
I get you in the face too.
Let's go, D. Hey, help him.
Brad. Brad. Brad.
Is the clock running? Yeah. Let's go, D. Let's go, D. All right, offense. Move it.
I got the play, man.
Let's go, baby.
Ball, good. That's fine. I don't blame you.
It's probably smart not to.
Let's go, Al.
I love you.
Love you.
Hey, Rob, give me a little fight. Fix your spot.
No, he's right here. Or who? What Josh? Okay.
Too many Josh. I just didn't see you and I was like,
Yeah, he's on D.
see, I could.
Hey, y'all back up.
They're not playing. Yeah, you're not playing.
Get up there, Dustin, go! Go, Dustin. Go, Dustin.
Yeah, I think somebody was walking on the field. Can you imagine, bro? Like a TV?
Did Vaughn and Nick make it? Did Vaughn and Nick make it?
Pack, cut.
Slavy just pulled up though. Nick.
Go! Hey, Joe, let's go up. Hey, next play.
Scoot back a little bit, baby. Good.
No. Mm-mm. It was a different one.
Go, Robbie.
I love Dustin.
Jalen, let's go! They want to put the other nigga at quarterback. He can't even play.
I went to school in Dallas for like a couple months after that.
They want to put Jalen at quarterback. He can't Wow! Why y'all doing that shit? Like, bro, it's not a quarterback, bro. Screw y'all not fucking get.
shut that motherfucker down.
Get that! Get that!
Everybody want to be a quarterback, though. Everybody want to be a quarterback.
Got laid the fuck out.
You good?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, let's go, G.
Get him! He made it in there. Sorry.
Oh, my fault, Chuck.
Right there. You good.
Let's go, D. Let's go, D. Hey, D.
Water. This is a water balloon.
Let's get a stop. Let's get a stop.
No, I'm talking about on that spot. Okay, I got you.
Come on, D. Hold him, D. Hey, watch to the middle. Watch to the middle. Watch the middle, oh. Hey, they're running in the middle. Where's that ball? Ball!
Get him, bro! Get him! Get him! Get him! Can you get over?
Hey, Rob, I could swear they got 10 on you. Black. I wanted somebody to count behind me because I couldn't see.
It was 10, wasn't it?
Hey, Rob, it was 10. I thought it was, man. I was like, man, they don't have enough people on the field. You on the line too? Yes, sir. Scoot up a little bit. Right there, now you ready.
Pressure him! Pressure him! There's a touchdown.
Hey, return. Hey, let's go. Let's go. That's only one touchdown. Let's go. That's only one touchdown. Let's go. Front line on the 45. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 8, 8, 9.
Not you,
Hey, big 35 snatched that shit on that interception.
Oh, that's who that was?
Yeah. All right.
Y'all find your team, bro. Find the team. We gotta use some bullshit too.
Try to get a fucking belt, bro.
Go.
It's 6 or 8? 6 or 8?
It's 8.
8 zip.
It's 8.
Oh, they put, I think they went for 2.
All right, guys.
It's definitely 8. It's not 7.
What do you think? I know you're on the line. We blitz? Everyone keeps saying.
If they don't have the one on your side, I will let you know.
Okay, gotcha.
But if not, play the flat.
That's what I've been doing flat.
Yo, alert. Yo. Like I said, good, sir.
Good.
Uphill!
Hey, Nelly. Get on your bike, bruh. Get on your bike.
Hey, stop. I got you.
Double sticks, Joe Mike. Nah, you good.
I'm trying to love you.
Oh, I love him.
Hey, Louie.
You on? Yeah. All right, you good.
Watch that.
Oh,
they can
I
get back.
got him.
I gotta wave that on. They can get back. They can get back.
I swear I've seen him cross that line, ref, a little bit.
Yeah, they can get back though.
There you go. Go! What were you doing? Sleeping?
I don't know what.
What the fuck?
Hey, Will, you good? You good?
Let's go, oh!
Abby and Adele. Adele, put throwing your shoes out.
You know where Davis was?
Watch them.
Good.